Welcome to the final lecture in our Pandas module. After all the analysis and data manipulation, the last crucial step is saving your work. In this lecture, we cover how to use the DataFrame method, .to_CSV, to export your clean, processed DataFrame back into a CSV file, and how to prevent unwanted elements from being written. 1. Basic data export. To save your DataFrame, you simply call the .to_CSV method on the DataFrame object and pass the desired file name as an argument. By default, this method includes the column headers on the first line and, importantly, writes the row index as an extra, unlabeled column. Two, omitting the row index. Since the automatically generated row index is often unnecessary for the recipient, it is common practice to omit it. You do this by setting the index argument to false. 3. Omitting column headers. In some specific cases, like appending data to an existing file, you may not want to include the column names. To suppress the column names, you set the header argument to false. Here we also combine it with index equals false to produce a file containing only the raw data. To summarize, the .to_CSV method is essential for exporting your final data product. This concludes our section on the Pandas library. You now have the skills to create, manipulate, and analyze tabular data. Our next section is Matplotlib, starting with Lecture 37.01, Introduction. See you there.